Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I'm your computer teacher and good morning. And this is my new video of class 6 and today's chapter is also chapter 6. Chapter name is more about MS PowerPoint 2010. So we start. Presentation and presentation software. A presentation is the act of showing and explaining an idea, a point or a topic to an audience. Earlier, people used printed, handwritten, and hand drawn materials to create a give presentations. These days, however, most of the presentations are being made on the computer with the help of presentation software. In earlier days, the people uses to show the presentation printed materials, handwritten materials, hand drawn materials. But now in present days, they uses the computer, and in computer there are various types of presentation softwares are available, out of which MS PowerPoint 2010 is a very important presentation software through which we can easily make our presentation and represent that presentation in front of anyone. Okay, a presentation software is a software program that allows you to create presentations by combining text, pictures, videos, sounds, animation, charts and graphics with a number of special effects. Okay, a presentation software is a software that allows you to create presentation including the text, pictures, sounds, videos, animation, chart, graphs, all that types of object you can include in a single unit and make a effective presentation. Okay, so MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Apple Keynote are some popular presentation software that are being widely used for creating presentations. Okay, so in this chapter we discuss about the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010. Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010 is a popular presentation software developed by Microsoft Corporation. It comes as part of the Microsoft Office 2010 suite of applications. It allows you to create multimedia presentation quickly and easily. So MS PowerPoint 2010 is a very popular presentation software developed by Microsoft Corporation of USA, and it becomes much popular in the present time. Okay, and through this we can quickly and easily make a presentation. A PowerPoint presentation consists of number of slides. A slide can be considered as an electronic page where text, images, audio, video and animation effects can be inserted, like just like a book have various types of pages, 1 page, 2 page, and it is a book. So similarly a presentation also consists of number of slides, and slide is an electronic page, means slide is a page of a presentation on which we put our text, images, audios and videos. Remember students, the word multimedia refers to a content that uses more than one medium of communication such as text, pictures, audio, video, animation and so on. We can include all these elements in a PowerPoint presentation. So it is known as a multimedia. Multimedia means in which medium which supports various types of components like text, pictures, audio, video, animations. All that medium it supports, so it is known as a multimedia. Starting MS PowerPoint 2010, it is very easy. You have to click on start and then all programs, and from all programs select Microsoft Office, and from Microsoft Office you have to select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, and the PowerPoint window will open with the screen components. Which type of screens are there? Quick access toolbar, this is a title bar, that is a ribbon, that is a tabs, file, home, insert, groups, various types of groups, slide pane, outline pane, status bar, these are the placeholders, command buttons, slide area, notes area, all that components. So we have already learned about all these parts of the PowerPoint 2010 window in our previous class. Just remember that most of the components of the PowerPoint window work similarly as seen in the MS Word 2010 window. Okay, so I will show you how we can open. So this is my computer system. You have to click on that start and then click on here is also Microsoft Office PowerPoint. If you want, then you have to click here and it will be open. but I have to click on start and then all programs. You have to click all programs, and then all programs you have to select the Microsoft Office. Look here, this is a Microsoft Office. Click here, and in this there is a Microsoft Office PowerPoint. In my computer there is a 2007. Easily you open it and it will be open. Okay, now the window of Microsoft Office PowerPoint will be open. So I will show you. This is a title bar. Okay, this is a title bar, and this is the quick access toolbar. I will show you, everything is written here. This is the quick access toolbar. Okay, and these are the different types of tabs: file, insert, design, animations, various tabs. And this is a slide pane, this is the outline pane. Okay, and this is the status bar. Look here, this is the status bar on which slide number and everything are represented. Okay, and this is the notes area where you have to add the note. This is the notes area. Okay, where we can add. This is the notes area. This is the ribbons, various types of commands. These are the placeholders, and this is the slide area. Okay, so this is a components of Windows Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So next, creating a blank presentation. PowerPoint 2010 give us several options to create a new presentation. However, we will start by creating a blank presentation and then add various elements to it according to our need and choice. The steps to create a blank presentations are given below. Click on the File tab. On the Backstage view, click on New. Select the blank presentation options from the available template sections. Fourth, click on the Create button. A new blank presentation with a single slide will be created. You can add as many slides and contents as required to your presentation. Okay, remember, when you open PowerPoint, a new blank presentations open it by default. When you open it, it is a new blank presentation, open it default. But if you want, then you can change it. How you can open? Then you have to go and click on a File tab, and then you have to click on a New, and there is a various types of templates are available. Which type of you want, then you have to easily select it. Okay, if you want, then you have to easily select it. If I have blank presentation, then I have to click here, and then you have to click on that Create button. Which type of presentation you want, there are various types of options are available. You have to select, and which type of presentation you want, then you have to select that type of themes and features, and then you have to click on a Create button. Okay, now it will be created, and now blank presentation will be open. Okay, this is the first slide of that presentation. Here you can add title and that subtitle, whatever is that. Now adding contents to the first slide. The first slide of a presentation is usually the title slide. It contains the title or topic of the presentation. The title slide has two placeholders where we can add the title and the subtitle of the presentation. Click on the title placeholder. The default placeholder text will disappear and cursor will appear at the start of the placeholder. Type out the main topic of your presentation. Third, click on the subtitle placeholder. Type out the text that give more information about the topic of the presentation or the name of the author, and so on. So how we can adding contents to the first slide? So easily, if you want, then you have to click here and then type your topic. Topics are related to our presentation, not anything you type. Which type of presentation you make, then you have to write the topic related to your presentation. Okay, that is a meaningful. So if I write here, I write means of communication. If I make here means of communication. Okay, and by, so you write your name, by, if I write here by Shreya Varun, okay, right, name Shreya Varun, okay, so that is, if you want then write class 6 also, okay. So that is a type of presentation. That is the adding contents to the first slide. Okay student, this way you can add contents. Okay, this is the first part of today's video.